So we got another shipment in today from 76. We got a case of the Noshikis. These look good. 9 on the board, nice and big. We got 2 fades to red. They're 25 shots. We got a case of Bump Bear, 16 shots. And this is not from 76, but we did get one of the Tannerites, 100 shot. That's going to be awesome. So a little bit more to add to this pile we got. And with everything else, these are 2 more boards I built. So I'm doing my show next Saturday on the 29th. So I am getting ready to have some fun. But right there is the new shipment, and that is the last one of the year for now. Keep pyroing, pyros.